Good morning students, I am Benil, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Pondicherry College of Engineering. In this video class, I am going to teach you about ambiguity. So you know what is the term, what is the meaning of ambiguity? So ambiguity means two different things is called ambiguity, okay? If you see some meaning of ambiguity is, there is a, for a single thing, if you get two different things means that is called ambiguity. Similarly, that concept we are going to apply in this theory of computation also. So you know one grammar, I am going to write one grammar. E tends to E plus E slash E star E slash open brace E slash ID. So if you want to derive, this is the grammar, right? If we, how many productions we have? First of all, what is mean by grammar? G equal to VTPS. Okay, you just refer a previous video. So this everything is called grammar. So how many productions we have? E tends to E plus E. 1, 2, 3, 4 productions we have. E tends to E plus E. E tends to E star E. E tends to open brace EID. E tends to ID. 4 productions we have. And they are asking to derive ID plus ID star ID, this string. This is a common string. We can expect this question. This is the grammar and this string in a university exam. So what is meant by ambiguity is, for a, just you will understand the concept. For a single string, for a single input string, if you get two different pass tree, then that is called ambiguity. Then that is called ambiguity. Okay, the same output ID plus ID star ID, but if you get two different pass tree, then that is called ambiguity. So if you want to derive this, prove this is an ambiguity, you should know derivation first. You have to prove two derivation. Okay, first I am going to do derivation 1. Derivation 1. So the thing is, you can go for this is leftmost derivation. You know what is leftmost derivation, right? Derivation 1. So see, I can take any string, E, any production, ID plus ID star ID. So I am going to take E tends to E plus E first. Then since this is a leftmost derivation, you have to derive from the leftmost variable first. Clear? Rightmost derivation means rightmost variable you have to derive. So now I cannot derive this one because this is leftmost derivation. So E is same as that. But this E, I am going to apply E star E because I have E ID plus ID, a star ID. So E star E. Okay, I derived this one. Since this is leftmost derivation, I have to derive this one. So what I can do is E plus E, instead of this E, I can apply E tends to ID is there. So ID, since my answer is ID. And again, the leftmost derivation, I have to derive this one. This is terminal, this variable, okay. So E plus ID star ID. Since it is leftmost derivation, I have to derive this E because this is the terminal, no need to derive. So ID plus ID star ID. This is derivation 1. And similarly, I am going to do derivation 2. Derivation 2. Okay, I am going with this is a rightmost derivation. The same thing, E tends to E, rightmost derivation plus E. E tends to E plus E. Since this is E tends to E plus E, I cannot take E tends to E plus E because if I have to derive this E star E. So E plus E concept is there. Before that, I don't have anything. Okay, or what I can do is I can use this E tends to ID plus E. Okay, now ID plus I have to derive rightmost derivation. This is the very terminal, no need to derive rightmost variable. This is the rightmost variable for this production. So for this E, I am going to apply E star E. Here which one is rightmost variable? See, this is terminal, no need. This is the rightmost variable. So I want to apply ID plus ID star E. One by one only you have to go, okay. Here in this production, which one is rightmost variable? This is terminal, this is the variable. So I have to derive this one. So ID plus ID star ID. So I derived two derivation. The ambiguity is, we have, if we see the ID plus ID star ID, I obtained. ID plus ID star ID I obtained for this two derivation. Ambiguity is, we have to get two different pass tree. So for this I am going to draw a pass tree, that is E tends to E plus E. So E plus E Again, which one? This E I applied, this is ID. Okay, for this E I have used, this is E plus E, this E I have ID, this for this E, sorry, this for this E I have applied E star E, not ID, E star E. Okay, and then I applied this E, I applied ID, for this I applied ID, then for this E I applied ID, then for this E I applied ID. Clear? This is for pass tree, for pass tree 1, for this one. Then pass tree 2 for this rightmost derivation. What I did, E tends to E plus E, and then this E I applied ID, then this E I applied E star E, then this E I applied ID, then this E I applied ID. Okay, so you can see the same thing. You can see E tends to E plus E is like this. E tends to E plus E. For this E star E. Okay, see, the both are looking same. But the derivation is different. Okay, since this is the both are looking same, but the pass tree also is different because derivation is different. I applied this one first. Derivation is different, but both are looking same. So for a single input, if I get two different pass, this means it is a two different pass tree, because this derivation is leftmost derivation, this left derivation is rightmost derivation. Looking same, but the derivation is something different. Okay, so this is the ambiguity. Or else you can derive like for instead of E tends to E plus E, you can derive some other way and you will get some other pass tree. Okay, so for the better understanding, what is ambiguity is for a input. Ready? So E tends to E plus E ID. So there is a two different pass tree for the single input, that is called ambiguity. Clear? Okay, I have given another ambiguity problem in your notes. You just check it and just study by saying your notes. Okay, thank you.